Can a simple green spray really transform your dry, patchy lawn into a lush, vibrant carpet of grass like they show in those eye-catching, as seen on TV commercials? That's the promise of Hydro Mousse Liquid Lawn, a product that claims to make lawn repair effortless. Just attach the bottle to your hose, spray the green mousse over the problem areas, and let nature do the rest. But does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped gimmick? In this video, we take a deep dive into what Hydro Mousse really is, how the product functions, what's actually inside that green liquid, and how it compares to the bold claims made by the company. While the marketing makes it look like a miracle in a bottle, real user experiences tell a mixed story. Some customers did report seeing grass sprouts in under 2 weeks, especially when applied under perfect conditions, fresh soil, plenty of water, and no foot traffic. But many others say they saw minimal results, uneven growth, or no improvement at all. The biggest concern? There's little to no independent testing to back up the product's effectiveness, and most of the positive reviews appear to come from promotional sources or unverified claims. At $40 to $50 per bottle, it's not exactly cheap, and results can vary wildly based on climate, soil condition, and how well you follow the instructions. In the end, Hydro Mousse might work for small fixes if you're lucky, but it's far from the instant lawn transformation the ads promise.